Dear friends, now let us see binary search. It is one of the important searching method because it needs very minimum number of comparison for searching an element. Let us see how it works. Suppose these are the numbers 20, 35, 42, 62, 68, 75, 84, 89, 92, 97. These are the numbers which are available in an array A in 10 different locations. Then we can search an element. So let us see. Suppose if the searching element S is 84, then in the binary search normally what we have to do is, before doing the element 84, search in the array, we have to arrange all elements in the sorted order. That is important. So here already we have arranged all the numbers in the sorted order. After elements are sorting, then only we can apply the searching methods. In the searching, what we are doing is, we are not going to compare all the elements, but every time we compare the middle position element. Here 10 elements are there. So let us see which one is the middle position. Then the middle position element is compared with 80, whether both elements are same or not. If it's same, then no problem. If it's not same, then we have to check whether the searching element is lesser or greater. Lesser than what? Lesser than middle element. Lesser than middle element. If the lesser than middle element, then searching element will be available only in this position. Suppose if the searching element is greater than the middle element, then our searching element will be available only in that position. So what will happen is, in the binary search, after doing one comparison, we ignore the half of the elements in the array for further processing. There is very important task in that one, by which we minimize the total number of comparisons needed for searching. Let us see one by one. Here, ten elements are there. First person is 1, last person is 2. Let us consider low equal to 1. It represents the first position of the array. Similarly, the last position, it is going to be marked as high. Its value is 10 because 10th position. Now, to do the binary search process, what you have to do is, we have to find middle element. Middle element is nothing but low plus high divided by 2 and Foote ratio. Here low equal to 1, high equal to 10 divided by 2 with Foote ratio. So it is nothing but 11 by 2 by Foote ratio. 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5 Foote ratio. The Foote ratio is nothing but the after decimal point can have any value that will be removed or ignored. So whenever we apply the Foote ratio, it will become 5. So the mid position is 5. So what you have to do is, you have to compare your searching element with the middle position. Middle position element. Now let us check. Suppose if we want to do searching of the element 75. I want to search an element 75. Now here the mid position is 68. So A of mid equal to A of 5 equal to 68. But what you want to search 75, the element 75 that you want to search. If you compare the A of mid and the 75, the 75 element 75 is greater than 68. So we compare our searching element with 68. It is not matched, not equal. So our searching element will be only in the right hand side of mid position. So now since our searching element is only in this portion, we can ignore these first. We can ignore this. Ignore means we need not search our further searching in that portion. It is enough to search our element only in this portion. So now, you see that starting now, the array to be processed is 6 to 10. So here, low equal to 6, high equal to 10. So among this position, now we have to find mid. Mid equal to 6 plus 10 by 2 with foot of by which 16 by 2 equal to 8. Now what we have to do is, we have to do our searching with 8th position. Middle position is 8. So here what we have to search? 75. Whether 75 is equal to 89? No. Two elements are not equal. Now what is happening here? See that? S is equal to 75. A of mid equal to 89. Here again, 75 is lesser than 89. 75 is lesser than 89. So, this is not equal to our searching element, but searching element is lesser than 89. That means, among this portion, our searching element will be available only in this side. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to ignore this portion. We are going to consider only this portion for other transactions. How that will be decided? Every time the searching element will be either lesser than or greater than. So each time the array portion to be searched is going to be reduced further and further. Here if you see that, you can find one thing. Whenever the searching element is greater than this middle position, what will happen is the lower position, so far 1 becomes 6. So 6 is related with 5. So how? Low equal to mid plus 1. Highest thing 10. Now you see here, now mid position is 89, our searching element is 75. 75 is lesser than 80. Now the portion is only this one. So in this portion, low position is same thing, but the position high is differed from previous one. Previous one is 10. Now in this portion, the high is 7. How the 7 is related with the mid position is nothing but mid position 8, this is 7. So what is happening is high is nothing but mid minus 1. So using these different formula, we are reducing the array to be processed further and further. So we are here. If the searching element S is equal to A of mid means search process is over. You can say that searching success. Suppose searching element is less than A of mid means searching element is less than A of mid means what we are doing is we change the high position. High equal to mid minus 1. Suppose S is greater than A of mid. Then here what is happening is low equal to mid plus 1. So only these two formulas. One is mid value. After finding the mid position, which row to be processed is going to be decided using these two formula. Whenever searching element is lesser than A of mid, we change the value of as mid minus 1. If the searching element is greater than A of mid, we change the value of low as mid plus 1, by which we can reduce the size of the array for further processing. Now here, so this type of process will be continued further and further. Let us formulate one table by which we will do this process one by one. Let us consider the searching element equal to 75, this we already told. Now let us start the process. Here low 1, high 10, mid equal to low plus high 11, 11 by 2, 5.5, foot operation, so 5. Now the 5 is, A of 5 is 68, which is compared with the 75. But the searching element 75 is greater than. So already we told that whenever searching element is greater than, we use make changes on low. So low will become mid plus 1. Mid is 5, so this is 6. So here let us watch. If S lesser than A of mid, high equal to mid minus 1. If S greater than A of mid, low equal to mid plus 1. This is a formula we have already seen. Here, 68, our searching element is 75. So 75 is greater than 68. So searching element is greater. If searching element is greater, then we have to make changes on low. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Mid is 5, so low is equal to 6. Okay. We can have the highest C. Now we have to find new mid value. Again 10 plus 6, 16 by 2, 8. Now this is the 8th question, 89. Our searching element is 75. So do comparison, S is lesser than 89. If searching element is lesser than A of mid, get go for I is equal to mid minus 1. So it will become 8 minus 1, 9. This is 6. So now low is 6, I equal to 10. So new mid value is 6 plus 9, 15. 15 by 2, 7.5. So it will become 7. So this one. So A of mid is nothing but 84. Now compare 75 and 84. 75 is again lesser than 84. If lesser means I equal to mid minus 1. Mid is 7. So mid minus 1 is 6. 6. So again mid equal to 6. Now we go to compare. Yes, so equal to 75 with A of mid. A of mid is 75. Now both are same. Search is success. So this is a way in which we go to process to find a searching element in the particular given array. This is one. Suppose instead of searching an element 75, if you are searching an element, searching the element 38. Now let us see what will happen. In the same array, if you want to search an element 38 from here, then yes. Now again, whole array, first question to 10%. So let's give 1, 10 I equal to 10. So mid equal to, as you already defined, 5. This one. Now we compare 68 and 38. Searching element 38 is lesser than 68. So if it is lesser than, we have to make changes on high. High is equal to mid minus 1. Mid equal to 5, mid minus 1, 4. So 1, 4. Now new mid position is 1 plus 4, 5, 5 by 2, 2.5. So 2. Now this is 2. So A of 2 is 35, searching element is 38. So searching element 38 is greater than 35. If it is greater than 35, now we have to make changes on low. Low is equal to mid plus 4. So this becomes 3. This is 4. So now new mid is 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by 8 to 3.5. So 3. This is 3. Now compare. 38 is compared to 42. Searching element 38 is again lesser than 42. So lesser than means we would make changes on height. So it will become 3 minus 2, 2. This is 3. Now if you see the cases, what has happened? Low is 3, but high is 2. In the array position, it is not possible. Always high should be greater than low. But here, it says that 3 greater than 2. It is contradiction. So now, we can terminate the process by saying that search is unsuccess. So element is not available. So whenever the value of low is greater than high, we can conclude that the searching element is not available in that particular array. So this is a binary search process. Now, we can sum up all the procedure in the algorithm. In the algorithm, we have done everything. Binary search. First, we have to arrange all the elements in the sorted form. Then only we can apply the binary search procedure. Fine, we have to find the mid value using this formula. We are low the person first position, high the person last position in the array of this tree process. Then compare A of mid position element with the searching element. If both elements are same, then searching is success. We can terminate the process. Otherwise, if the searching element is lesser than mid position element, we are going to make changes on high is going to be minus 1. Suppose if the searching element is greater than mid position element, then low becomes mid plus 1. So after doing this process, you have to check whether low is greater than mid. Sorry. Low is greater than high. If low is greater than high, then we can come to conclude that searching element is not formed. Otherwise, we can do the process 2 to 7 repeatedly until the process terminates. This is a binary search process. Thank you.